welcome to the channel. If you are new here, go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed and make sure that you give this video a huge thumbs up because y'all, I'm dropping so many gems over here. Gems, no pun intended. I'm dropping so many gems over here that you don't want to miss it. Okay, girl, you want to be a part of the Glam fam so that you can get all of the tea on how to improve your body, your life, your everything, girl. So yeah, we back at it again. Today I'm talking about loose skin on the belly. Okay, this is what we're talking about today because baby, after I had royal, I definitely had some loose skin on my belly. Now I will say this, loose skin is loose skin. It does not just go away, but you can tighten it up. My stomach was so huge when I was pregnant that it just couldn't help but to stretch however it stretched, and for me to be left with whatever I was left with. Okay, and that's okay. I survived. That's all that matters. But I will be sharing with you all a few tips and tricks that you can use in order to improve your tummy, because my tummy prior to what I've been doing now versus my tummy now is a lot better. So if you want to improve the mom pouch, the loose skin, you may have loose skin from weight loss. Whatever you have loose skin from, exercise is a great way in order to do just that. Cardio like walking, running, light aerobics, all of these different things can help to tighten up the midsection and improve the pouch. It can also help to tighten up the belly. So that is what we're looking for when we want to improve what we refer to as the mom pouch. Okay, we want to work on that core strength. Some of the ways to do this is by doing Pilates, sit-ups, any type of core ab exercises will definitely help when it comes to improving the midsection and saying goodbye to that loose skin. Now, when I did my life update video, I talked about how I've been trying to eat better. I've been trying to stay hydrated more, and all of these things help with improving that midsection. Drinking more water, exercising, hitting the gym, all of these things help. For the longest time, my goal has been to get abs. I've been wanting abs for the longest, y'all. And when I tell y'all, I think it's taking me longer than the average person to get abs because of the fact that I did have my daughter. But baby, when I get abs, y'all won't be able to tell me nothing. Y'all won't be able to tell me nothing at all, okay? I'm still working on it, but you know, I can see my midsection improving day by day the more that I put effort towards, hey, look, I'm working on this, I'm focused on this, and this is what I'm going to be doing in order to improve my body. Drinking a lot of water can also help to improve the skin's elasticity, which also helps with improving the loose skin. Oh yes, moisturizer is also extremely vital. If you do not moisturize, girl, that is an abomination. Make sure that you are taking care of your skin. Moisturize all of the areas on your body, not even just your midsection, the legs, the feet, everything, the arms, the neck, all of this needs moisturizer. I promise you, your older self will thank you for it. I give you the red light special. Oh, that's not what we're talking about. Red light therapy also helps. We're not talking about the red light special, right? Because that's how we got into this predicament in the first. Okay, well, red light therapy also helps to improve the midsection. It helps to promote collagen, reduce inflammation, and also improve stretch marks. And who doesn't love that? Because girl, I know that I do. Skincare products are vital. Slimming creams or creams that target cellulite are going to be your best friend during this time. All of these products can help to improve skin tone and texture, and I'm going to leave some of my favorite items for improving cellulite, loose skin, all of that down below for you, girl. You know that I got you covered. And if you want to get straight to the point, a tummy tuck can also help. But if you do get any type of plastic surgery, guess what comes along with that? You have to maintain it. So you still gotta know ways to keep that area in order to keep the results that you've paid so dearly for. So yes, you all, I am feeling so much more confident in my body. After I had Royal, I was looking in the mirror like, girl, what is this? Because you know, your girl used to having a slim waist, pretty in the face. That was what I was used to, and it took me a minute. It took me a minute to snap back into what the hell is happening? It took me a minute to snap back into the whole routine of getting myself together, of working out, of taking care of my body. But now I can honestly say that I'm there, and I feel more beautiful. You know, I feel a lot better each and every single day that I take strides in the right direction of improving my body. And one thing about it, you're going to thank yourself for it, honey. Honey bun. You're gonna thank yourself for improving yourself, for working on yourself. And one of my next videos is going to detail all of the different products that I've used on this journey of improving my midsection, of helping with the loose skin. But y'all just gotta stay tuned for that. So what you have to do is you have to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Then after you subscribe to the channel, you have to make sure that you thumbs up the video. Then after you do that, I need for you to go down below, leave a comment. I don't care if it's just an emoji. Just show support to the channel. And girl, sooner or later, we gonna be fine like wine, okay? We getting there already. We're taking a step in the right direction. The fact that you're watching this video, you almost already there, girl. Okay. Alrighty, I want to thank you all so much for tuning in. Okay, if you ain't already a part of the Glam fam, you need to join. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.